Good day, ma'am. I am Princess Sergime Amlas I from BSBA 2D. So here is my top 5 learnings of cooperatives in the Philippines RA 9520. So first is the principle of tax exemption. These must transact business exclusively with their members are completely exempt from all national, internal revenue, and local taxes. Second is autonomy with CDA regulation. The registration gives them a juridical personality, meaning they can legally enter contracts and sue or be sued. Number 3 is democratic member control. Cooperatives follows a strict one member, one vote policy, regardless of how much capital a member has contributed. Number 4 is mandatory fund allocations. Cooperatives cannot just spend its net surplus however it wants. RA 9520 mandates that a portion of the net surplus must be distributed in the specific funds before anything else. So I have there two examples: the reserve fund that minimum of 10%, education and training fund maximum of 10%. Number 5, the last but not the least, is limited liability and capitalization. Members enjoy limited liability, meaning their personal assets are protected if the cooperative goes under. They only lose what they invested. But however, for to start a cooperative, it requires at least 15 persons or individuals as founders with a minimum paid up of capital of 15,000 pesos. And that is all po. Thank you.